capital of Japan.
Are you curious how people are making simple quiz videos that go viral and rack up millions of views? Don't worry, I've got you covered. There are tons of faceless YouTube channels pulling in insane traffic just from quiz-style shorts. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Can I actually go viral from scratch? The answer is yes, and you can do it much faster than you think if you follow the right strategy. That's what I'll walk you through today. Let me show you exactly how I made 100 monetizable quiz shorts in 10 minutes using AI automation. With this method, you'll be able to get thousands of subscribers and consistent views without spending a single penny. Yes, it's completely free. No investment needed to get started. Many of you may wonder whether this kind of content is eligible for monetization, and the answer is a big yes. In fact, I'll even show you a secret way to check whether any channel is monetized. This means you can do your own research and confirm what's working in your niche. So, if you've been delaying your YouTube journey, now is the perfect time to begin. No more excuses. Let's save time and effort and create powerful videos quickly. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated with future videos. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a few bonus tips that will make your videos even more engaging and clickable. We are using 3 tools for creating quiz videos: ChatGPT for scripting, Canva for designing, ElevenLabs for voiceover. Step 1. Using ChatGPT to generate quiz questions. We begin by opening up ChatGPT, our first AI tool. You'll use it to generate a list of quiz questions. Start by prompting ChatGPT to give you 10 geography-based questions. Then ask for 10 more and keep going until you have a total of 100. Don't worry, you can use this prompt from video description. This helps ensure that your questions are varied and high quality. If you want to cover a different niche like science or history, just modify the prompt slightly. It's super flexible. Once you have the questions, copy them into a Google Sheet or Google Doc. This will make it easier to organize them later. Using Google Sheets allows for better formatting, especially when you're preparing for bulk upload in Canva. A great tip is to add a separate column for the correct answer, so it's easier to map later inside Canva. You can even color code your questions to indicate difficulty level: green for easy, yellow for medium, and red for hard. Step 2. Preparing your Canva video template. Next, open Canva, our second tool. If you don't have Canva Pro, don't worry. You can start a free 30-day trial and cancel anytime. This gives you full access to all premium features. Select the mobile video format, which is ideal for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Pick a cool background by searching for Spiral in the Elements tab. Choose a visually appealing one. I went with a vibrant blue spiral. Now, set the video duration to 8 seconds, which is ideal for quiz-type content. Press the R key on your keyboard to draw shapes. First, create a red rectangle with a white border for the quiz question, placing it at the top of your video. Then make 4 yellow rounded rectangles. These will be used for the answer options. It's important that all the answer shapes are the same size to maintain a clean, professional look. Use the heading text option and choose an attractive font like Montserrat. Type your quiz question into the red rectangle and place one answer in each yellow box. Add a simple effect like a black outline to the text to improve readability. Text effects like these help make your content stand out in a crowded feed. Now group all 4 answer boxes and adjust their timing to appear during the first 6 seconds of the video. Make sure the text isn't too small. Viewers scroll fast, so everything should be readable at a glance. You can also create one video layout and reuse it as a template to save time when scaling your content. Step 3. Making your design engaging with visual elements. To make your videos more dynamic, let's add relevant imagery. Search for a flag in Canva's elements, like the UK flag if your question is about the UK, and place it somewhere visible. Then search the video section for a countdown and pick one that's longer than 10 seconds. Crop the video to fit within 6 seconds, using the crop tool and changing the aspect ratio to 1:1. Move the countdown to the top left of your screen. It fits best there. Now, let's animate everything. Go to the Animations tab and apply Tumble to your answer options and wiggle to the flag with the lowest intensity. Use Flicker for the countdown video. Animations help maintain viewer attention and improve watch time. You can also animate the question using whichever effect you like best. Try them out and see what works for your audience. Try to keep your color palette consistent across videos. It builds a brand identity your viewers will recognize. Adding subtle movement through animation helps prevent viewer drop-off, especially in the first 3 seconds. Step 4. Revealing the correct answer. Now let's show the answer at the end. Press R again and create a green rectangle with a black border. This is where the correct answer will appear. Use the same font and color scheme as the other text for consistency. Type the correct answer inside this box and group the shape with the text. Set its timing to appear in the final 1.7 seconds of the video. You can add a correct answer reveal sound or visual flash effect to make this moment more exciting. Step 5. Bulk creating 100 videos at once. Now we move on to the automation magic. Go to Apps in Canva and search for Bulk Create. Choose Enter Data manually. Copy your table from Google Sheets and paste it into Canva. Double-check for spelling mistakes or incorrect answers. ChatGPT is smart, but not perfect. Once pasted, click Done and Continue. Next, right-click each text box in your video and choose Connect Data. Link the quiz question to the red box and each answer to the appropriate yellow box. Connect the correct answer to the green one. Do this carefully. It's the most important part of the process. Once connected, Canva will instantly generate 100 videos in bulk using the data. Yes, 100 videos in seconds. This method isn't just fast, it also ensures your content stays consistent in layout and style. Step 6. Final adjustments. After the videos are generated, swap out the flag images to match each question. For example, use the Japan flag for a question about Japan. Doing this adds a level of detail that helps your content feel more polished and tailored. You may need to resize some answer text if it's too long. Just adjust it quickly. Now let's talk about sound. You can either add background music to keep things simple or take it to the next level by adding sound effects. Use a ticking clock sound during the countdown and add a ding sound when the correct answer is revealed. Search YouTube for ding sound effect and use any royalty-free options available. Background music can help set the mood. Choose something upbeat and minimal for quiz content. Step 7. Using AI voices for the AI voices I am using. ElevenLabs. I'll leave the link in the description. You just write the text to speech and then generate it as many times as you want if you don't like the result.
Capital of Japan.
Then download it and add it to the video. This will make the video much more engaging. There is also another software called Fleeky, where you can get a lot of realistic AI voices. Fleeky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute. You can create voices with different tones, fun, serious, or neutral, to match your quiz topic. Adding AI voiceovers makes your content accessible to visually impaired viewers and improves retention. Step 8. How to check if a channel is monetized. Here's a cool trick. Go to any YouTube channel, press Ctrl+U to open the source code, then press Ctrl+F and search for the word monetization. If it says true, that means the channel is monetized. If that method doesn't work, search YouTube Monetization Checker on Google. There are websites where you can paste the channel's URL and check if it has ads enabled, what country it's from, and more detailed stats. You can use this data to reverse engineer successful channels and discover new video ideas that are already proven to work. Now let's take a look at the quiz video we just created with ChatGPT and Canva.
Capital of Japan.
Isn't that incredible? Thanks a lot for watching till the end. I hope this helped you understand how easy and powerful AI automation can be. Just remember, consistency is the real key to success on YouTube. Most creators fail not because of quality, but because they give up too soon. Keep pushing. If you want to earn money in bulk, then keep creating, keep uploading, and the growth will come. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss any tips or updates. I'll see you in the next video.